Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking For You. Are you looking for the best recipe of Hyderabadi Mutton Korma? So you are at the right channel. Today we are going to make Hyderabadi special Mutton Korma. Are you ready for it? So let's check out the recipe and the process to make Mutton Korma. Starting off with the recipe. In the pressure cooker, add 250 grams of mutton. Add chopped onions, add chopped tomatoes, and now add green chilies whole, add ginger garlic paste, add chili powder 2 spoons, and now add coriander powder 1 tablespoon, add salt to taste, and now add pepper powder 1.5 spoon and mix it. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil to it. Give it a slight mix and cover it up. Now add green leaves like coriander and curry leaves and mix it thoroughly. Now we are done with mixing. Cover it up with the lid and let it cook for 6 whistles. Until it's cooking, in a pan we are taking cumin seeds, Bengal gram, star anise, Marathi Mogga, green cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, Fennel seeds, Kasthuri Methi and Bayleafs. On all round, we are making the garam masala powder here. In a hotted pan, we are adding all this and just giving it a dry roast. When you see the spices changing the color, little bit brownish or reddish, then you can stop the pan. The aroma with these garam masala, it's too good. Now we have added coconut to it. And now take all the spices into the mixer grinder and make it a powder. This is the masala powder ready. And we are checking into our mutton now. Damn, this smells awesome. In a separate pan, add our mutton korma. After 2 to 3 minutes of cooking it, now we are adding our garam masala powder. For 250 grams of mutton, we are adding 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder. Now close the lid for 15 to 20 minutes. When you see the oil has stained up above the mutton curry, so it's damn ready to serve. Damn, it is so delicious. Did you just find the easiest way to make Hyderabadi Mutton Korma? Isn't it? You can have it with the plain rice or bagara rice or chapati, rumali and anything just can go with it. So guys, try it now and tell us how did you like it. For more such amazing, delicious videos, subscribe our channel and give it a like and share. Thank you.